This bus here is the Freeport into town. The next one is 20 minutes to the train station, and then if you take this one here for €6, it takes you directly to the train station. So I would take the bus direct, it'd be better for you. Here we are, train station for Rome. Buy your tickets here. And that is how simple it is, literally. Very, very simple. Don't forget, when you travel on Italian railways, to validate your ticket after you bought it from the ticket office or ticket machine. If you don't, you will be fined €60. So please make sure you validate your tickets before you get on the train. And here we are, Roma Airport. Metro train station. Get the train to the airport from here. So it's not that difficult. And return ticket €9 or a single €6. And then a coach from the terminal €6. €6 back. That's me done. I'm now going back to the ship for the day because I can't walk far, so I can't do these trips. When you get to the train station in Roma, you can also get a bus to the airport and a bus from the airport to the train station, so you can get to the port, which is very handy and a lot easier. Right, when you come out of the station, if you turn right or left, you walk up the hill, you'll come to this place. The food in here is amazing, and I've seen these places in Thailand where you've got so many restaurants under one roof, so you can just grab what you like. And if you want to go on the hop on hop off bus, if you see this fella here, he will sell you some tickets. So say hello to this man, he will sell you some tickets to go on the hop and off bus.
Thank you.
No worries. And you? And I just had a ham roll in here. It was amazing. Really, really nice. Lots of food in one place. They make it all fresh. Everything is fresh. Pizza. And you've got a smash burger place here. They will make you any burger you want. This is where I have my ham roll from. Very, very nice. Everything made fresh. Here also, everything made fresh.